Hello and welcome. Welcome to English Podcast for Beginners, a place for friendly voices and simple, useful English. I'm your host, Lovely. It is so good to have you here with me today. Today, we talk about a beautiful moment, a special moment. It is the moment you finally speak English without fear. You know that feeling, right? You want to say something in English, you know the words, but you feel afraid. You feel nervous. Your heart beats fast. You think, what if I make a mistake? What if people don't understand me? This fear is very, very common. Everyone feels it. So today, we will think about this fear, and we will imagine that wonderful moment when the fear is gone. Please stay with me until the end. This is for you. Let's start with that feeling of fear. Why is it there? Fear is like a wall between you and your English. You want to go to the other side, but the wall looks very big. This wall is made of many things. It is made of the worry about mistakes. It is made of the desire to be perfect. But here is a secret. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to be understood. Think about a small child learning to walk. The child falls down many, many times, but the child does not stop. The child gets up again. And soon the child is walking, then running. Learning English is the same. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teachers. They help you learn. They help you grow. So, the first step to speaking without fear is to be kind to yourself. It is okay to make mistakes. Everyone makes them. Good job for trying. That is the most important part. Now, let's imagine that moment. The moment you speak without fear. What does it feel like? It does not mean you know all the words. It does not mean your grammar is perfect. No. It means you feel calm, you feel confident. You have a thought and you share it. You ask a question and you listen to the answer. The words come out and you feel free. It is a feeling of connection. You connect with another person. You share an idea. Maybe you order a coffee and the barista smiles. You understand each other. Maybe you help a tourist on the street. You give them directions. They say, "Thank you so much." In that moment, the English language is not a test. It is a tool for connection, a bridge to another person. This is a wonderful feeling, a powerful feeling. So, how do we find this moment? How do we move from fear to confidence? We take small steps, very small steps. You do not need to give a long speech tomorrow. Start with one word. Start with hello. Start with thank you. Practice these small phrases until they feel comfortable. Then try a simple question. How are you? Or how much is this? Listen to the answer. You do not need to understand every word. Just understand the main idea. This is practice. This is building your confidence. Little by little, step by step. You are improving already, I am sure of it. Another important idea is to change your goal. Your goal is not to be perfect. Your goal is to communicate, to share your meaning. Think about it. If someone speaks your language with mistakes, do you laugh? No. You probably try to help. You feel happy they are trying. It is the same when you speak English. Most people are kind. Most people want to understand you. So focus on your message, not on the mistakes. Your voice is important. Your ideas are important. The English language is simply the key that unlocks the door. Let me repeat that because it is very important. Your voice is important. Your ideas are important. English is just a key, a tool for you to use. Now let's wrap up. Let's bring these ideas together. Speaking English without fear is possible. It is a moment of freedom. It comes when you accept mistakes. It comes when you focus on connection, not perfection. It comes with small, brave steps. One word, one sentence, one friendly conversation. You can do this. I believe in you. Your journey with English is beautiful. Every word you learn is a victory. Every sentence you speak is a success. Be patient with yourself. Be kind to yourself. You are learning, you are growing, and one day, very soon, you will have that moment. You will speak and you will not feel fear. You will feel only the joy of connection. Thank you for listening today. This is Lovely from English Podcast for Beginners. Keep practicing, keep learning. I am so proud of you. Until next time, take care.